Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Shopify store unavailable. Okay, if your Shopify store is unavailable, people are not able to check the products that you have on your Shopify store or anything or something like that, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can fix this problem. Now, first thing you want to search, I'm just going to log in into my Shopify store right now. I'm going to click on a login and then I will show you guys how you can fix this problem. Now, okay, I'm going to choose this Shopify store. As you can see, I have like imported two products to the Shopify store. Now to fix guys Shopify store unavailable, what you need to do first, like there are two ways to fix this problem. Okay, there are two ways to fix this problem. The first way is to go to settings and then you want to search here for a plan. Okay, now after you select a plan, it will show you guys an option, guys. It will appear here, choose a plan. Now if you don't choose a plan, if you are not paying for subscription, you will not be able, guys, to make your Shopify store public. Like people will not be able to see your Shopify store because you haven't selected a plan. Now keep watching. Even if you don't select a plan, I'm going to be showing you another solution. Now if you want, you can select a plan. It's better, guys, to select a plan. Just go with the basic one. It's only $1, as you can see, for the first 3 months, so it's not a lot of money. Just click on choose a plan and then you want to enter here your credit card information, or you can pay using PayPal if you want. You can use the option PayPal as you got at the bottom. You can see here PayPal, just select it and then pay using PayPal, and as you can see here, it's only $1, guys. Okay, so yeah, now after you select a plan, you want to, like, the next thing you need to do, you want to click on online store. Okay, you want to click here online store and then you want to click on preferences. Now after, guys, you click on preferences, what you guys need to do next, here you will find like the title and meta description, like social sharing image. Now what you need to do, guys, you just need to keep scrolling. Okay, keep scrolling until you find here something that says here password protection. Now if you have selected a plan and you have password here, people will not be able to check your products because you have a password. People will need to enter the password, and as you can see, it says here to anyone to let anyone access your online store, pick a plan. That's why I showed you guys at the beginning, you need to select a plan so that your store will be active. Okay, people will be able to see your store. Now if you have selected a plan, you want to uncheck this. It's guarded for me because I didn't select a plan. Okay, no, I'm not able to uncheck this box. It says here restrict access to visitors with passwords. You want to uncheck it. Okay, and then you want to remove this password. Okay, and then you want to click on save in the top right. As you can see, it says password can't be blank because I didn't select a plan. Like, you just need to remove the password. As you can see, you uncheck the restrict access to visitors the password. You just need to uncheck it and then click on save. Now if you still have this problem, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know, guys, that you still have this problem even though you have done the steps I showed you at this video. I will reply to you guys within a few hours. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.